Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. This is CATIA V5 Beginner Series tutorial part 46. In today's video, we are going to learn about design table in CATIA V5. In the context, we will learn about what is design table in CATIA V5, why we use the design tables, and how to create design tables step by step. If you are working on product families, multiple size variants, or standard components, this feature will help your hours of modeling time. So let's get started. And what is design table in CATIA V5? A design table in CATIA V5 is a powerful tool that links your 3D model parameters to an external spreadsheet, usually an Excel file. In simple words, it allows you to control multiple dimensions and parameters of a model using a table. Instead of manually editing dimensions one by one, you can switch between configuration instantly. Think of it as Excel controlling your 3D model. Example, imagine you are designing a bolt in your screen with different sizes, different diameters, different lengths, and different head sizes. Instead of creating separate files, you can create one model and control all variations using a design table like this. Why do we use design table? Let's understand the importance. Create multiple variants. You can create multiple configurations of the same part without remodeling. Save time. Instead of editing dimensions manually, just switch configuration row. Then your model is done. Standardization. Perfect for standard parts, product families, size variations. Reduce human error. Dimensions are controlled systematically via table. Industry applications. Design tables are widely used in automotive components, plastic parts, sheet metal components, standard hardware parts. If you are preparing for an industry role, this is a must-know feature. Next is creating a design table in CATIA V5 step by step. For that, let's go to CATIA, go to Start, Mechanical Design and Part Design. I am renaming this one as Design Table and OK. This will take us into the Part Design workbench. Here, we will create some parameters. For that, to create parameters, as you know how to create parameters. If you didn't learn how to create parameters, then click on the I symbol to know about the details about the parameters. How to create parameters, what are parameters. Click on the FX from the Knowledgeware table. Here, I will create a new parameter of length type. This is my length. I will rename this one as length. And the length is 100 mm. Enter. Next, another parameter of width. This is 50 mm. And another one, height. This is 10 mm. Now I have created 3 parameters, then apply and OK. Now my parameters are available in the specification tree. Now I will create a plate where I will link my parameters to the plate. For that, create a sketch. I will select the XY plane. Click on the sketch tool. use the center rectangle and I'm giving dimensions. This is my length and this is my width. I can select the formula here, edit the formula, and this length is equal to length parameter, and okay. Same way, this one, the width, I will edit the formula and width equal to width. Now my sketch is fully constant. Click on the exit workbench. Now I will give the height. For that, use pad command to give the height. Here also I will select right click and edit formula. Here I will select the height and okay and okay. Now my plate is created. Now I want a plate of different sizes, different length, different width and different height. For that, what I will do, I will create a design table where I put all the data together and then I will say apply. Okay. To create a design table, go to the Knowledgeware toolbar. If your Knowledgeware toolbar is not available, to find the Knowledgeware toolbar, right click on any toolbar and select knowledge. This will appears knowledge toolbar and click on the design table. You can find it here. This is your design table. Click on the design table and name the design table. Here I am renaming this one as plates. Okay. And here it will ask for create design table from a pre-existing file or create a design table with current parameter values. So here I will select the current parameter values and click on OK. Now there are n number of parameters here available. I will filter it out with parameter length. Okay. Here you can see the length parameter, the width parameter and height parameter is available. So select the one and use the arrow to insert into the parameter. Then click on OK. Now this will ask you to save the file as a Excel file. CATIA will generate an Excel sheet automatically. So save it as a desired location where your files will not delete and you can access it anytime. Here you can see the file name is also plates. It's automatically written and click on save. Now a table is created. You can edit the table to give the different heights or different width, different length. For that, edit the table. Here a Excel file will open. Now I am inserting different lengths like 100 mm is pre-existing. I will say 200 mm, 50 mm, 300 mm, 150 mm, 500 mm, 20 mm. Okay. Now also in width, this is 100 mm, this is 200 mm. And on height also I want different heights. For this 20 mm, 5 mm, 20 mm, 10 mm, 30 mm, 5 mm. Okay. Now save it. Save the file before closing it and then close the file. Now it will take some time to synchronize your file. You can find a knowledge report and a message the file of the design table plates has been modified. The design table has been synchronized with the file and close. Now you can see there are 7 numbers of table created, 7 row created here. Like here, this is in red now, but don't worry, this is not bad. This is just only if you can apply it, then it will show you in good condition. Okay. Now, if I want to change it, like here, I select this one and say apply and OK. Now you can see my lengths are changed. My parameters are also changed, and also in the relation, you can find the design table to edit it or to change the configuration. Double click here and you can change your configuration like and apply. Then you can see my model changed. If I say OK, in the parameters also it changed, and in physical it's also changed. Same way, if I click on this one and apply, you can see in the preview this is also changed. Apply, you can select any model, any configuration as per your requirement. Important settings: activate configuration. You can activate any row anytime. Add more parameters. You can edit a design table and add new parameter. To edit a design table and add new parameter, double click on the table from the configuration specification tree, and here you can edit the table, and when you click on the edit table, then you can find the Excel sheet is open, and you can put any dimensions and save it, then close it. Then it will synchronize automatically, and when you click on this one and apply, then your model will be configuration will be added to the design table. And OK, this is how we can use design tables. There are some tips. Always rename the parameters clearly. Avoid deleting linked parameters. Keep Excel file organized. Use meaningful configuration names. In real projects, engineers use design table for motor housing variants, gearbox designs, bracket length variations, plastic enclosure families. Instead of 20 files, one intelligent model is enough. That's smart engineering. So that we learn today what is a design table, why we use it, how to create it step by step. Design table is one of the most powerful feature in CATIA V5 Knowledgeware. If you master this, you move from modeling to intelligent modeling. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to Enginuity Lab. In the next video, we will continue with design table and we will create different board configuration in design table. So thank you for watching Enginuity Lab. See you in next video.